Here is step-by-step guide how to convert your .mov file to MP4 file. Alright, let's jump into it. First of all, open up your favorite browser. In my case, it's Google Chrome browser. And then up in the search bar right here, and then type in here MOV convert to MP4. And then you can see different options. For example, click on first link right here and just click on select file right here. And now in the window that appear, you can find your video that you want to convert. For example, download this video, click on open. So now we can change MP4 to whatever you want. For example, MP4, MOV, FLV, AV. In my case, it's AV, MP4. And also we can click on change settings and just change what you want. Click on close button. Let me click on convert button right here. So now we can wait a couple of seconds or minutes. Then you can see processing. And as you can see, once processing is completed, you can download it. It's the bottom right corner. Click on download and download will be started automatically. That's it. You can click on arrow at the top right corner and wait a couple of seconds and click on open. And as you can see, format is changed. That's it. I hope it helps convert this video or this playlist about Mac.